Hi, and welcome to the FoodieQuipper, coming to you from our outdoor kitchen in the beautiful Garden State of New Jersey. Our FoodieQuip today is about strawberries. They're deep red, ripe all the way through, and naturally sweet too. Now, just look at these beauties. I'll be using food equipment off-label today to simply prepare for a healthy, nutritious, and delicious breakfast, salad, accompaniment, or snack. First, we'll give them a quick rinse. A really fast way to destem the berries using our friendly tomato shark. Some folks like to use a plastic straw, but that's probably not very sustainable. Man, are these juicy. So, another quick rinse, and we're ready to slice. I'm going to get rid of all the extra leaves and detritus. Now here, I'm going to use a restaurant grade egg slicer. Now, what you want to do is to be certain to place the top of the berry towards the hinge. So you want to engage the thicker part. And voila, perfectly sliced strawberries. And the final one. Now, some models even have a separate die and cutting wires to quarter the product instead of slicing it. Both work really well with strawberries, or eggs as they're intended for. Let's see, a few tablespoons or teaspoons of quick honey, local honey, not quick honey, local honey. And they're going to be ready to eat or macerate in their strawberry syrup. They can be stored covered in the fridge for several days. We use these what I call shower caps. They're convenient and come in various sizes. You can get them in the supermarket. Now don't forget to compost the stems for next year's garden. Enjoy.